What's up guys, I'm back with a new idea for new year. I had a piece of glass for a long time, so I have an idea. Well, I'm obsessed with flower paintings, so I started to add some flowers on my glass using my acrylic painting. You can use any paint, it's fine. I'm recording this in English so all of you can understand, because most of you all are from another nation. I'm too lazy to add subtitles. And also, I'm working on a really big painting because I'm drawing Blackpink poster for the first time. Look, I'm adding some cloud because it looks aesthetic. I have been wishing for a play button for so many years, but I still don't have any play button because you guys don't even support me that much. But it's fine. I'm making a glass button for myself at least. I'm writing my username. I know my writing is weird, but I'll fix it. Now look at this. If you like this idea, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!